Morning everybody, Don Pence here. So you've been out in the field hunting upland birds, you just happened to get a few of them. Now what? Well, one of the things I do is I make meat sticks out of them. Makes a delicious snack. Got my spices here. Got the bird cut up into chunks. Go grind it up and put my spices in and let that cure for overnight. Then I'll go put it on my dehydrator and I'm gonna have a great snack out of birds. So what I got here is got some pheasant in here, got some quail, got some chucker and some huns. I'm just gonna mix it all together and grind it up into some meat sticks. So let's get going here. Morning everybody, Don Pence here. I've had my mixture of spices with some chucker, pheasant, and quail sitting over here marinating overnight. I'm going to get it in my jerky pistol here and get it on my food trays and get it in my dehydrator, and we're going to have some delicious snacks here after a bit. So let's get going with this. I know, that smells good, don't it? Let's see what it smells like. That stuff smells good, and I don't care who you are. Let's get it loaded up in the pistol here. Alrighty, just about got all my meat trays loaded here. Go finish up, get these trays on my dryer over there. We're going to be cooking some more jerky here. Stuff, I gotta tell you, stuff smells really good. It smells really good to these bird dogs I got wandering around here in the shop too. Can't do this in the house. I get kicked out of the house every time. I get told that get the house smelling like a butcher shop, which smells pretty good to me, but whatever. I'll just come out here in my shop and get this stuff going. All right, that looks like about it. Get this stuff loaded up on the dryer. Got an old Nesco dryer I've been using for years and years and years. Thing hasn't failed me yet, so we'll go. Okay, there we go. Got it on the dryer. That's what those sticks look like before they get cooked. Got it on, got it cranked up to about 160. Just go let her go for about 4 or 5 hours, and I don't know, maybe I'll put them out on the table later tonight. Christmas Eve dinner. Maybe this will be an appetizer. I don't know. All right, let's do a taste test on the bird sticks. Let's see here. They're done. And that there is good. I don't care who you are.